How to connect GoDaddy email to your Gmail. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about a basic step procedure on how you're going to want to connect your GoDaddy email to your Gmail in the easiest way. So once you've gotten your GoDaddy email, what you're simply going to do from here is you're going to go over to your Gmail account right over here, and you're going to move right over to the top right section where it says settings, go to see all settings, and from here on out, go to accounts and import. And once you're into accounts and import from here on out, what you're going to want to do is you're simply going to go to send email as, click on add another email address over here, add in your GoDaddy email, click on treat as an alias, click on next step, and simply ask it to send verification. And once the verification is sent, go to your GoDaddy email inbox, verify it, go to your H panel, and start working with Gmail. So that is how you can connect GoDaddy email to your Gmail in the easiest way. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.